September 18, 2015. A powerful 6.2 magnitude earthquake struck near the central coast of Chile at a depth of 15 kilometers. This only days after a devastating 8.3 deadly and destructive megaquake rocked the nation, sending a raging 15-foot tsunamis through several towns, destroying homes, causing death and prompting the mass evacuation of 1 million people. John 13:19. Now I tell you before it come, that when it is come to pass, ye may believe that I am he. July 6, 2015.
God reveal South America, God reveal Chile. Turn to Jesus
Gracias, ma'am.
The wages of sin is death, but the gift of God is eternal life.
Oh God, judgment is coming to Chile.
Chile, turn to Jesus. South America, turn to Jesus. Turn Chile. Judgment is coming to Chile. Judgment is coming to South America. Cristo viene.